You may not be aware of it yet, so pay attention. We are now living in a world brimming with information to motivate ourselves towards our life goals. However, you might not realize that you already carry this ailment. It's a silent agony, imperceptible at first, but gradually it starts eroding your time without yielding meaningful results. What's known as cognitive dissonance, a new affliction for those who aspire to embrace life. Cognitive dissonance is an illness. Why, you ask? It is a psychological concept that delves into the discomfort that arises when individuals hold two conflicting beliefs, values, or attitudes. The human mind naturally seeks consistency in its attitudes and perceptions, so when these contradictions emerge, they trigger unpleasant feelings of unease and discomfort in your own mind. Listen to this until the end, because it might be you having this called cognitive dissonance. Consider subscribing to our channel. Evident or signs to watch that you have this. Feeling uncomfortable before making a decision or taking action. 2. Justifying or rationalizing a decision or action that contradicts your beliefs. 3. Experiencing embarrassment, shame, or guilt about your past actions. 4. Engaging in activities due to social pressure or fear of missing out, even if you didn't genuinely want to. Cognitive dissonance in action. 1. Wanting to be healthy, but not exercising or eating nutritiously. 2. Knowing that smoking or excessive drinking is harmful but rationalizing the behavior due to stress. 3. Desiring to save money, but impulsively spending and facing financial regret. 4. Having a lengthy to-do list but opting to watch TV instead, concealing this from others. What are the cause of this? Forced compliance, behaving against personal beliefs due to external pressures or expectations. 2. New information, learning something that contradicts one's existing beliefs. 3. Decisions, making choices, both big and small, often leading to dissonance as you grapple with the decision's outcomes. Cognitive dissonance can evoke feelings of uneasiness, discomfort, anxiety, embarrassment, regret, sadness, shame, and stress. When your beliefs conflict with your actions, particularly those central to your sense of self, it can have profound emotional consequences. This is a problem. Let's deal with cognitive dissonance. 1. Cognitive dissonance signifies growth. Cognitive dissonance often arises when you're faced with choices that challenge your existing beliefs. Embrace this discomfort as a sign of personal growth. The effort to reconcile these contradictions can lead to self-improvement. 2. Self-awareness and consistency. Being aware of your own cognitive dissonance is a powerful tool. Use it as motivation to strive for consistency in your beliefs and actions. This self-awareness helps you align your values with your behavior. 3. Comfort zone expansion. Cognitive dissonance occurs when your beliefs are tested. This is an opportunity to step out of your comfort zone. Embrace the discomfort, as it often leads to personal development and positive change. 4. Overcoming cognitive dissonance. Dealing with cognitive dissonance requires active measures. Use it as motivation to seek new information, justify your beliefs, or change your views. In this process, you'll discover your own adaptability and problem-solving abilities. 5. Growth from uncomfortable feelings. Recognize that feelings of discomfort and unease are not negative in themselves. They can be the driving force behind personal growth. When you encounter cognitive dissonance, see it as a path to self-improvement. Your beliefs are not set in stone. Realize that beliefs can evolve over time. Cognitive dissonance can lead to shifts in your values and principles. Use this as motivation to be open to change and willing to adapt when you encounter new information or ideas. 7. Conflict can lead to transformation. When you experience cognitive dissonance, it's a catalyst for transformation. The resolution of internal conflicts can be a powerful motivator for changing aspects of your life, both big and small. Embracing discomfort. Embrace cognitive dissonance as part of the journey toward self-discovery and personal growth. View the discomfort as a necessary stepping stone on the path to becoming a better, more self-aware individual. 9. Positive outcomes from dissonance. Recognize that cognitive dissonance can lead to positive outcomes. It can prompt you to seek information, justify your beliefs, or adapt to new perspectives. This proactive approach is a key to personal development. 10. Learning from uncomfortable moments. Understand that cognitive dissonance often occurs during periods of growth and change. Learn from these uncomfortable moments and use them as motivation to continue evolving, both intellectually and emotionally. Consider subscribing to our channel. Incorporate these motivational insights into your life, and you'll find that cognitive dissonance can be a powerful force for personal growth and development, rather than something to be feared or avoided.